Yeah, so this is a standard plane, but if you see over there, I don't think you can see it. Yeah, no, you can't see it. But the next one is an A380. I'm definitely pausing the video. This one is just a Delta A320. Standard plane. I'm gonna have to back up for the next one. Anyways. Yeah, I thought, anyway. That was a butter. Alright, so I'm starting the video early for a certain reason. Because this thing right here is an A380. Yeah, so like, in case you don't know, there is no way in heck I am not recording an A380. This thing is discontinued. Or might not be. I don't know. Maybe 2027? 20-year legacy? Something like that. Baby. This is the rarest thing. I've seen a Lufthansa 747 and a KLM A330. You don't really see those that often. But this, man, this thing is just phenomenal. It's coming in. So it came from that way, but now it's coming in. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking right now. I'm genuinely shaking. Just seeing this thing. This is my first experience with an A380 too. It's gonna be loud. My ears are blowing. Oh my god! Let's see if it's better. Guys, you don't know how buttery that landing was. Oh, horn honking. Anyways, oh my gosh, that is insane. Oh my goodness. Let's go! Woohoo!